Welcome you all dear students in my class again, and in this video I try to insert the mixed questions of different chapters from both of the books, that means Flamingo and Vistas. And the questions are MCQs so that you can prepare well, and before clicking the correct option here, please think properly and you can tally your answer later because I am not telling the answers here in this video. I'll tell you where you can find the correct option to tally your answers. So let us start with the first question. Question number 1. Who has written elementary school classroom in Islam? And the answers are, options are A. Kipling, B. Wordsworth, C. Kamal Nath, and D. Stephen Spandler. Question number 2. What does the poet portray in the poem, that means in the same poem, an elementary school classroom in Islam? A. Young minds, B. Playfulness of the children, C. Questions of the young mind, and D. The plight of the young children in Islam. Now question number 3. What does the poet compare the color of the walls with? A. Rotten fruits, B. Stale chapatis, C. Rotten vegetables, and D. Sour cream. Question number 4. Why are the pictures and map meaningless? Again the question is taken from the same poem. Options are A. They show beauty, B. They show hope, C. They show vastness, that means opposite to the world and the needs of the children in the classroom, and D. All of these. Now question number 5. What do catacombs signify? Again the question is from the same poem. A. Underground cemetery showing irrelevance of the map hanging on the wall of the classroom. B. Irrelevance of the classroom. C. Irrelevance of the school. And D. Irrelevance of the children. Now question number 6. Awarding the world its word. What do these words express? A. The world is ours. B. The world is yours. C. The world belongs to the poor. And D. The world belongs to the rich and powerful. Question number 7. Poetic device in yellow and green pages. A. Metaphor, B. Simile, C. Personification, and D. None of these. Question number 8. Meaning of azure sky. A. Blue color, B. Bright future, C. Unclear, and D. None of these. Question number 9. What is the beauty in Keats' opinion? A. Suffering, B. A cause of suffering, C. A cause of pain, and D. A joy forever. Now question number 10. What did Franz find on reaching the school? A. People were dancing, B. Strange people, C. Police patrolling, and D. Strange quietness. Question number 11. Why did the general not pass orders to arrest Dr. Sadao for giving space to the white man? A. Because he trusted him, B. Because he needed him, C. General was not in good health and needed his services, and D. None. Now question number 12. What is the significance of 1894 in the lesson? A. It was past, B. Author's parents were alive, C. Author's childhood time, and D. Representing a peaceful and romantic living time. Question number 13. What's the significance of 1894? Sorry dear student, this question is repeated. Doesn't matter, you can repeat. A. It was past, B. Author's parents were alive, C. Childhood time, and D. Representing a peaceful and romantic time. Question number 14. grandeur of the doom means dead ones. B. Dead brave leaders. C. Dead brave leaders with their inspiring deeds of bravery. And D. None of these. Question number 15. Device in skin peeped through by bones. A. Metaphor. B. Personification. C. Alliteration. And D. All of these. So dear students, these were all the questions in today's video. Hope you have attempted well. All the best, and you can find the answers in the description box. Do tell your answers so that you can assess where do you stand. We'll meet again. Till then, bye bye.